Brian Ernst here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2008 Tiffin Allegro Bay 35 TSV Fred front engine diesel Class A motorhome. This is fully loaded. This coach was purchased at the 2008 Louisville RV and Sports Show. This coach is equipped with the Cummins 340 horsepower ISB turbo diesel engine. This is on the Freightliner chassis. Beautiful front molded fiberglass cap. You do have the one-piece windshield. That was a huge feature in 2008. Beautiful chrome heated mirrors. You do have the side view camera package on both sides. You just turn your turn signal on and it activates the camera so you can see your blind spots. You do have the little doggy window for a blind spot for the driver so you can see if there's a vehicle. 22.5 tires. DOT on these tires are 2007. All the tires in great condition, no dry rot. This coach has just a little bit under 15,000 miles on it. Beautiful full body paint coach. Tiffin offers some of the best paint jobs on coaches in the industry. You do have a beautiful large power awning. All the fabric is in excellent condition. You do have a full awning package on this coach. There are two things that I want to point out as far as the windows. They are dual pane windows all throughout the coach. The seal broke on the window here, which makes the window foggy. And the other window in the bathroom, the dual pane seal broke and it fogged up the window. I did check this coach for water damage, overall wear and tear. This coach is beautiful. Beautiful rear molded fiberglass cap, backup camera, ladder to get up to your one-piece fiberglass roof. This coach is equipped with dual AC units on it, dual 15,000 BTU air conditioning units on it. Nice feature on this coach. You have the rear the rear fuel fill. A lot of times the fuel fill will only be on one side and you have to remember which side it's on, but with the rear fuel fill you can fill up your coach using either side of the pump. This coach is equipped with dual furnaces. All your holding tanks are heated and enclosed. Onan quiet diesel generator with just a little bit over 119 hours. Bay area is heated. Black tank sewer flush. Driver's side door with power mirror, power window. Good for going through toll booths. You can just roll down the window. A lot easier than having that little window you normally get without the driver's side door. One-piece windshield makes a huge difference. See if I can show you the inside here. Inside is pretty much immaculate. I did check for water damage around the slide outs, around the floor area. Check for any warping, any curling of the wallpaper, any issues as far as dark staining around the corners. Did not find any issues. This coach is equipped with 3 TVs and one in the back bedroom. Tiffin does some of the best cabinets in the industry. Ultra soft leather upholstery, hide-to-bed sleeper sofa, Euro recliner, solid surface Korean style countertops, two-burner cooktop, beautiful backsplash, Moen style faucets, convection oven,
Great deal. Get this. I always wanted to put a TV in here, but there's no TV outlet. Now we can. By adding the wireless receiver from AT&T, we can move the
8 cubic foot Norcold gas electric refrigerator,
qualifying bundles. Keep this safe.
nice pocket door, fantastic vent fans all throughout the coach. Korean style countertops in the bathroom with backsplash. Nice garden shower with seating. Glass enclosure. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Another fantastic vent fan. Another sink. Solid surface, Korean style countertops. I did check for water damage around the toilet area. Lots of storage space. I believe that's a 27-inch flat screen. This is a queen sleep number bed. This coach is equipped with soft touch vinyl ceiling. Central vac. Another fantastic vent fan. Flex steel chairs, both in excellent condition. Pilot and co-pilot chair. They're all power. Auto leveling, Cirrus stereo. You do have power shades for the co-pilot and pilot. Backup monitoring camera. 6-speed Allison transmission. This coach has just a little bit over 14,880 miles, 88 miles. And this is on the Freightliner chassis. Exhaust brake. If you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you have any questions on the coach, I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.